So at Aibuild, we make slicing software for large-scale additive manufacturing, such as the machine behind me here. A big target market for this technology is composite mold tools for aerospace. There's a large advantage in terms of cost and lead time that it can bring, but the barrier, the blocker to it being widely used is the thermal expansion of the materials that you're able to print with.
The ZETTAS project focused on replacing an ingot tool with a 3D printed tool out of thermoplastic materials that have advanced material properties, and in combination with the slicing strategy of AISing, it is possible to achieve the same thermal expansion results.
So we worked very closely with the National Composites Centre during the project. They were incredibly helpful, providing their expertise in terms of defining requirements for the mold tools, defining how the thermal expansion should work within those tools, and also in terms of producing a demonstrator project with actual carbon fibre parts coming off of it and producing a business case study based on that.
This was a perfect example of a project where innovation has been key to delivery. There were lots of technical challenges that Aibuild had to overcome, as they really were agile in their ability to develop new technologies, new approaches to all the challenges they faced.
This project helped us to develop advanced features for our software. For example, we managed to reduce porosity by applying non-standardized slicing methods, and we also managed to crosshatch on top of a tool that has a complex three-dimensional shape.
So the big advantage that our software delivers for users is really time saved, and that's broken down over many steps of the production process. At the start of the production process, it's reduced time around changing your design for additive manufacturing. Because of the flexibility that our software allows, you need to change your design less to make it manufacturable. A step after that is time around doing your CAM, preparing your toolpath for the given parts. That's reduced up to 70–80% in our software, thanks to all the little bits of automation.
Our R&D center in London is the heart of our software, because our material partners and hardware partners are sending their products here for us to test and integrate with our software. So we do the deep integration of all the hardware, and we test different materials here. And we are testing the capabilities of our software. So it gives us like a unique advantage of making the quality assurance for our software, and also for our hardware partners and our material partners.
This project was really exciting in terms of being able to deliver a competitive offering to Invar by using a 3D manufactured polymer. Now, there were lots of complications and lots of challenges along the way with this project, and it was really exciting to see how Aibuild continued to develop their innovative approach and really overcome those obstacles in combination with NCC.
The biggest challenge of this project was to change our initial research plan, because during the way we figured out that it's not possible to print with two different materials at the same time and have an efficient result. Then we had to find other ways to achieve the same results.
This project collaboration between Aibuild and the National Composites Centre was really fascinating to watch. There's so many challenges thrown at this project that actually seeing them succeed was a real satisfying mark. The way in which the team was agile enough to move around the number of obstacles thrown at them and really deliver end components within a very tight timescale was excellent to see.
The funding provided from NATEP actually allowed us to do the project in the way that we did it, and also have an RTO collaborator in the National Composites Centre, which allowed us to understand the needs precisely and also do a proper demonstrator project. In terms of the support provided, that was critical in terms of keeping the project on track, properly planned, to the aggressive deadlines that are part of the NATEP schedule, which is really important for a fast-moving startup environment like the one we have here.